you in like a sleeping bag and a barbecue. It'll blow you
That's
away.
good.
It's like you can walk down on into your, there's like a rock and then a little grassy knoll,
Yeah.
and then you can walk down into the water off the rocks, just like literally walk right in. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Really neat. But it's on the opposite side of everybody that's partying at the beach.
Yeah.
At Beaver, you go on this side, we go around the back and walk right through. Oh,
Mhm.
something else. It was
It's nice to go there.
Oh, it was. It's beautiful and it's cool. When you're walking to the beach, you're in a canopy of shade the whole way,
Yeah.
right? So I was like, ah, this is nice. Not hot. You playing music for him?
He's sleeping now.
You're holding your phone there. You recording?
No, he's just like, I capturing what's like he's eating and then he's just like sleeping.
Oh.